Hey guys, I'm here to share with you my special edition of the BoxyCharm. It's a Tarte edition, so came with 5 full idols from Tarte, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. So first, let me share this one. It's a Tarte, what is it? Tarte drink of water, H2O. I use, it's amazing, love it, love it, love it. After is this breezy cream blush. You see, I feel like healthy, love it. Mascara, amazing, I'm already using now, love it. Eyeliner, so this side here, I put under here, so your eyes look bigger. The eyeliner I did, but I'm so bad. I'm gonna try to do better after. Just lip gloss, it's amazing. Look at this. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And last but not least, this palette. Look how beautiful the colors. Love it, love it, love it. I'm using that. I did a very light one, so you know I don't look like I'm going out in the middle of the afternoon, but love it. I hope you guys like it too, and click on my link to get yours.